In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo on your Shopify store. Adding your logo is one of the simplest ways to make your store look professional and on brand. So let's walk through it step by step. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account, and once you're in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the area where you manage everything: products, orders, customers, and of course, your online store's design. From the menu on the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This opens up the section where you control how your storefront looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed, along with a button or link that lets you customize or edit it. Next, click on the option that says Edit Theme or Customize. This will open the theme editor, which gives you a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of settings on the left. In the theme editor, look over to the left-hand column and find the small gear icon, which represents your theme settings. Click on that gear icon. This will open up a set of global settings for your theme, including colors, typography, and importantly, your logo. Once the settings panel is open, look for the section labeled Logo and click on it. Here is where you'll manage the image that appears as your brand logo in the header of your site. You'll see an option with the title Logo and a button next to it that says Select. Click on Select. A file picker window will open, showing images that are already uploaded to your Shopify files. If your logo is already in your Shopify library, simply click on it to select it. If it's not there yet, click on the Add Files button. Then choose the logo file from your computer. A PNG or SVG with a transparent background usually looks best, but use whatever format you currently have. Once the upload finishes, click on the logo you want to use. After choosing your logo, click on the Done button in the file picker. You should now see your logo appear in the live preview of your store. Take a moment to check how it looks in the header and make sure it's clear and not too small or too large. When you're happy with it, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This final step publishes your logo change to your live store, so visitors will